Here is the current order that we are working on. We have all these orders to do as well. We have these jobs over here to take care of. Then we got an order for 1,000 t-shirts that we need to take care of also. What is up, everybody? Matt with Mikey Designs, or what's up, kinfolk? What's up, shop gnomes? What's up, everybody? Gonna do a video log today, so we're gonna show you what we have going on. Stick around, see what we have going on in the shop. Well, that is just hogwash.
Comes with age.
Yeah. Okay, so one of the first things I gotta do real quick is print out another piece of film aside from this dude here. Had to redo a screen. We'll show you what's going on the press. We need to print this dude out. Doop, 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 doop. Honey bunches.
I will not respond to that either.
Baby cakes.
Really won't respond to that.
Honey buns.
That one will get you punched.
How about sugar?
That one will get you slapped.
Okay, well, that thing is printing. There's Shannon. I got a couple screens out here drying. I'm going to, once these dry, I'm going to expose these screens. I'm going to open up the shop doors and we're going to start doing some printing. So I got the Mikey Mobile finally repaired and running. She's in tip-top shape now. Now I can use her to run my errands and get some shit done. Well, I'm gonna show you what we got going on, guys. So the film that I have printing out, we're about to run the back of this order. There's a little spot in this screen that just didn't completely wash out. I should have used my TZ emulsion, but I just happen to have this screen ready to go. It didn't expose the halftones quite as well. So we got that yellow and this blue. We're gonna lay down wet on wet. Here's a little test print that I did, and you can see right here, there's a tiny little spot that didn't quite wash out. So it looks like a little bit of a highlight. And to me, that's just not acceptable. I'm very picky when it comes to how well the art that we're printing comes out. Here is the current order that we are working on. 2-color logo front print. It's Gildan 8000 t-shirts along with some polos, and then we got an order for 1,000 t-shirts that we need to take care of also. All due by the end of this week. Got a lot of crap to do. A lot of stuff to do. A little bit of time to do it. One of the reasons why I haven't really been video logging or doing too many tutorials is because we've actually been busy. Not that we aren't busy or haven't been busy. It's been really tough finding the time to bring you guys some tutorials. So this week I'm going to do my best to bring you some more. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go back inside the office real quick while these screens are drying. It'll probably take but another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna expose these screens and then get on press. So let's do it. Okay, the screens are all nice and dried, so let's go ahead and expose them. Now that the screen's all exposed, let's go ahead and wash it out. Okay, now that I have the screen all washed out, I'm going to set it in the sun to dry. We'll give that a few minutes and then we'll come back and we'll be ready to fire everything up and start printing. Okay, Shop Gnomes, looks like the screens are all dry. So let's go ahead and set up the press. Okay, so the sun's gone down. Still working on shirts. We got this order done. We're about to do this one. We got this one all taken care of. Shop Gnomes packing these away. And then we're gonna hammer out about 300 shirts for one of our good clients. One of our good clients.
We're doing this tonight?
Yep, we're doing that tonight.
But I am late tired.
We're doing it tonight.
Set fire to this.
Well, I think that's about it for today, boys and girls. We are hungry. We're gonna grab something to eat. We're exhausted. Could use a shower. We did manage to finish up that order over there, which I can't really get too close on it because it'll give away who our client is. But we got a lot done, and we're gonna get back at it first thing tomorrow to finish up another order. That's about it for today. That's about it. It's been a busy day. Busy day. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that way you get notifications next time we upload our next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, even if it's just to say hello. As always, don't forget we are an official rep for Catspit Productions. If you're in the market for screen printing supplies or equipment, use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. So don't forget to tune in to our shows. On Monday, we do a live show where we answer screen printing questions, and also we have topics that we do tend to bring up, and there's a lot of shenanigans that go on. It's just kind of a lot of fun for both the Shop Gnome and myself, and for you guys as well. Well guys, we're gonna get out of here. Till next time, we'll see you later. What do you want to eat, Shanny?
Motion on.